As in the previous years, the CORCOM has announced that it would boycott the issuing India's Independence Day August 15 celebration in Manipur. There shall be a general strike from 1 a.m. till 6:30 p.m. of August 15 with exemption of essential services like medical, electricity, water supply, fire service, media and religious observances, informed the statement issued by the CORCOM Publicity Committee. The unabated ethnic cauldron and animosity witnessed today in Manipur is a direct fallout of the alleged oppressive policy of India after the annexation of Manipur and clear violation of the prevalent international laws, it said. The illegal Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 has wiped out the sovereign history of Manipur that led to the imposition of the 15th August celebration among the ethnic groups of Manipur, it alleged. Now the time has come for all the ethnic groups inhabiting Manipur since time immemorial to stand up as the Manipur people to resist this alleged colonial regime and pave the way for scientific political development of the oppressed people towards exercising their inalienable rights to self-determination, the CORCOM asserted. The present ethnic impasse resulted due to India's use of hate games and hate crimes as a part of proxy war of the counter-insurgency operation. All the struggling and oppressed indigenous people of Manipur should now realize the Indian policy of killing two birds with one stone and the impossibility.